Today we're going to take a closer look at SIRS Knowledge Source Database. Make your way to the Hall Databases page and click on SIRS. SIRS is dedicated to controversial issues, and there are a variety of ways to start your search. You can start off by looking at the top 10 leading issues, by looking at the A to Z list in this scroll down field, as well as in full page mode, or you can look at groups. And these are categories which have subcategories underneath. The other way to start your search is by doing a visual browse if you're more of a visual learner. And this takes categories and creates webs. So you would just drill down until you found the issue that was of interest to you. The other way that you can search is by putting terms into the search box. So since your first unit deals with taking a journey, I thought that maybe adoption would be an appropriate place to start since it's a journey of sorts. The first thing you'll notice is that you can read an overview of your topic which explains why it's an issue. You also can look at the big questions within the issue, and if you were to click on one of these questions, you would find articles on the pro and on the con side. You also have a variety of research tools, which give you things like statistics and how your issue is impacted around the world, and so on. Another thing about SIRS, like most databases, is that it gives you a variety of ways to target and sort your search. The first one being narrowing your results by source type. So, for example, you might want to select viewpoint articles to look at first. Another way that you can sort your search is by relevance or date, which is common to most databases. You would sort by date if you wanted the most recent articles at the top. But what's a little bit different about SIRS is that you can also sort by reading level, which is a Lexile score, low to high and high to low. So I'm going to go ahead and sort by date to see the most recent articles. And then another way that I can sort and target my search is by clicking on related subjects. So for example, if I wanted to focus on both adoption and identifying birth parents, I would click here and find all the articles related to that. Another way that I could target my search is by clicking on the article itself and selecting various subjects here, and then hitting Find Similar and seeing my results. As I search, I'm going to make sure that all of the articles that are relevant to my search will be added to my list. And then when I'm ready, and I think I've just about finished my search, I can go to my list. I'm going to select my articles, which I can then email to myself. Just in case, to be on the safe side, I would also make sure to click on the article itself, click on citation, which gets you to the bottom of the page, copy and paste the citation into a Google Doc just in case your email doesn't work. And then the other option, just to make sure that you can save the article, is to hit Print View and then do a Save As. And that way you can save it to your hard drive no matter where you are. One final way that you can approach searching in SIRS, as in all databases, is by doing an advanced search. And this is if you have multiple terms and you want to do a really targeted search. Again, you have your and or not options, as well as your options over here, and you could also limit in a variety of ways over here. So now it's your turn. Happy searching.